Trade Genius.
What's up guys, Philip at Trade Genius. Alright, in this video I wanted to point out something, and that is that the Samsung Corporation is looking like they're going to be adding a cryptocurrency cold storage wallet to the Galaxy S10 phones. And it's going to allow them to essentially have the end users securely store their cryptocurrency. And this is kind of big because what this does is this allows a lot more people that may not have been exposed to cryptos yet to have the access to a cold storage wallet, which most people won't even understand that it's a cold storage wallet other than they know they have a wallet built into their phone for cryptocurrency. So it breaks down the barriers for adoption. These Samsung Galaxy phones sell tens of millions of units, so this is a big deal. I think this is another step forward in broader adoption with cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular. And this isn't really something that's going to be affected on, say, the daily chart over here. This is something that's going to affect, your multi-year long-term trend chart, right? Right now, like you guys have seen, we're in historically a zone where we've had our larger pullbacks, and as we head toward another halving event, we see that these are historically really good times to get into Bitcoin, where you start seeing like the really large returns. But when you have something like the Samsung looking to put an app securely in their flagship product, this is the kind of stuff that broadens the adoption. And when the adoption gets broadened, that's where you start seeing the next cycles up. So just wanted to let you guys know that sometimes it's good to see these articles and be aware of the ongoing development in the crypto space. A lot of times after these pullbacks, especially like what we saw in 2014 and 2015, things get really bearish and everybody thinks that it's all dead. It's not in reality. It's just another cycle ending right before the next cycle up begins, and it will continue to do so. And crypto's got a really bright future. So anyway guys, just thought I would share that with you. If you're interested in joining us, getting in the room, understanding where to get in long term with this stuff, as well as adding to your portfolio or swing trading day to day, not only cryptos but also our binary options, which is currently at 131 wins and 8 losses. Bob's got a stellar track record on the ETF and stock side too. So encourage you to head over to tradelikeagenius.com, join us over there and check out those specials. All right guys, well that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on tomorrow's video. Take care guys, bye.
Trade Genius.